All right, this is your Monday real life stock review. Simply put, let's dive in. Hey traders from around the world, it's Jeremy Alexander Newsom with reallifetrading.com. Hope you're doing absolutely serendipitously terrific. We have ourselves a really big day here at Real Life Trading. Make sure you come over to reallifetrading.com and click on this intermediate tab because it is starting tonight, April 27th at 7 p.m. Eastern, entirely for free. Gonna be mind-bogglingly great. Put in your first name, last name, email, click sign up, send it to friends. It is going to be epic. Also, today is the 27th of April, which means I'm getting in 27 miles on the day as I am and have been doing the Calendar Club the entire month of April. The Calendar Club is where, of course, you run the day of the month every single day. So today I'm doing 27 miles. Next day I'm doing 28. The next day I'm doing 29. The next day I'm doing 30 for over 460 miles on the month of April. And I'm teaching this class. Whoo! Oh man, fired up and jazzed. Let's talk through some trades today. And the big trade of the day was Roku. And by big trade, I mean really the main trade that we played was Roku. We did focus on Zoom, so my boy John Alonzo snagged a good fade on Zoom. Zach, who's brand new over here to RLT, snagged himself 1R on Roku. JL got 1R. So we were able to play a good trade on Roku today, and Alex was in there as well. So let's kind of walk through how we played Roku. Pretty easy trade for the most part. I think you guys will all kind of get how it played out, but you did have a candle here. And what we'll notice is we actually did gap up. This chart shows it a little bit better on the daily chart because Roku did actually open above the high of yesterday. So the high of yesterday on Roku was 126.02. Today's open 126.30, which means you're allowed to play it in the first few minutes of the day per our plan. Here is the 3-minute candle, and you guys all know exactly how I played it. Nothing special, nothing easy, nothing difficult, just high wave, bearish 3-minute candle, get in above, stop below. You've all seen me do that myriads of times, and we were able to snag a cute and beautiful gain on Roku. So congratulations. This is what our current day trades for the month is looking like so far, and that is pretty brilliant, if I do say so myself, and I do because I just did. That is Roku, and we're so close to playing Tesla. We were so close to getting in on this beautiful gap. Now, of course, Angela over there in BC, she snagged Tesla for 5 Rs. Felicia down there in South Carolina, 2 ladies separated by 4,000 miles of Earth, both played Tesla, smacking some gorgeous Rs. Well done, Felicia. That was a stupendous gap on Tesla. It was really the strongest gap of the day, in my opinion, and was just so good. Slavia played JP Morgan for a nice little bullish gap because, again, you'll notice that it was gapping above very nice recent highs. So JP Morgan, here's your 3-minute charts, and 3-minute chart on JP Morgan. I mean, everyone, guys, a 14-year-old seagull could have taken that trade bullish. Look at that bearish hammer with all of that volume at open. Today was the perfect day to be a real life trader because our strategy worked so well. Now, it doesn't work all the time, but today it worked every time. I mean, it doesn't matter what you pulled up. It was gangbusters. Disney was one that so many traders just absolutely scorched. This was a bearish candle gapping up, and we have a lot of traders in some 140 June 2021 calls, but you had a bearish candle on Disney. We did gap above the high. We took out that recent high. Therefore, you're allowed to play it on the 2-minute chart. Shout out to my boy, Robert Thompson, who played Disney. And there's your high wave 2-minute candle on Disney. Entry there, stop loss there. You're welcome for the R's. Disney went absolutely bananas. Really gorgeous move there. And again, just, so good. So good. So we do have some swing trades. I got stopped out today on Dollar General like an absolute, like it was my job. I was playing Dollar General bearish because I'm a moron, trying to take something bearish, and the option pricing on this thing was deplorable today. Absolutely outrageously bad. Went for a May 175 put and got punched right in the tender kneecaps as we got stopped out on Dollar General. Triggered in and stopped out all in one day. But hey, if you're going to lose miles to lose quickly. We're still in progeny swing trade, which I'm probably going to be exiting here soon because it's just really not rallying at all. So progeny taking its sweet, sweet time. TUFN, however, at least is slowly coiling and kind of building some pressure. That's nice. Virgin Galactic, we missed a swing trade on Virgin Galactic by about 2 or 3 pennies. Literally 2 or 3 pennies on Friday. But right now she's working on bouncing off of the 100 simple moving average and is posting a really nice morning star reversal. So Virgin Galactic could easily continue higher, and I'm interested to see what that does. But this week's going to be big, folks. I mean, Tesla has earnings this week. That's going to be huge. Facebook's earnings are just days away. Those will be very entertaining. Either Facebook's going to gap up and run or gap down and fade. I don't know which one's going to do, but that's going to be really pretty. Zoom. So Zoom had a huge bearish candle on Friday, gapped up. It was gapping down this morning, and most traders played Zoom bullishly today because look at that pre-market chart. First 3-minute candle or 5-minute candle. I mean, how are you not bullish after a candle like that? Just looking at playing the pullback and buying the dip. So Zoom. Right now, trend kind of continues. We also are in some Carnival Cruise Line positions, and Carnival, ladies and gentlemen, is also working on breaking out to the bullish side. Let's see how it interacts with the 20. The 20 EMA is at $12.91. So if we can get a close above there today and it starts making higher highs and higher lows towards the end of the day, I think that Carnival does actually have a shot, or at least a chance, a smattering of an opportunity to start going higher, depending on how it closes today. But Carnival right now does look pretty interesting. Keeping very close eyes on Las Vegas Sands. Las Vegas Sands looks pretty strong. WYNN, W-Y-N-N. I mean, based on technical charts, WYNN was a phenomenal gap today. Boyd Gaming coming out with earnings extremely soon. So ironically enough, the online / Las Vegas Casino World stocks look pretty strong, especially this one, PENN. Penn National Gaming, with really good volume coming in on that one. That looks pretty cute as well. Otherwise, folks, still April, probably going to be one of the best months at real life trading. I mean, March was amazing, but yes, we did have some losing trades. It was a little bit of a challenge because, as you know, I'm mostly a perma bull. So when the market does get an absolute thrashing of the bears, I tend to, or some traders do tend to lose a little bit of money. But when the market goes up, whew, and it has been going up pretty much every day of April, since the 6th of April at least. Strong moves. Bulls are out there. Interesting to see how long they're going to continue. But right now, it is looking pretty cute and toasty out there for the bulls. If you have some stocks that you want me to review on Wednesday, throw them in the comments section below. I am happy to check them out and give you my thoughts and analysis on them. Folks from around the world, thanks for tuning in. I hope you have a great rest of your day, night, week, year, month, quarter, weekend, wherever you are in the world, and whenever you are in the world. Thank you for watching Real Life Trading's YouTube channel. Make sure to smash that subscribe button. Click that up like. YouTube likes it when you do that. And I will see you all on Wednesday for your next stock review. You got it. That was your Monday stock review. Thank you for watching. You are incredible. And until next time, love life, live life, and trade it. Bye.